What's up mga ka-YouTube? This is your boy G again, back on another video as promised. Again, maraming salamat sa ating mga kaibigan sa Edifier kasi pinadala nila ako nitong WH500 Wireless Headphones. And good news guys, like na sinabi ko sa naunang video natin, is ipamimigay natin to sa one lucky commenter. Actually, not just one, but two lucky commenter ay mananalo netong Edifier WH500. Magandang balita yan guys. So abangan nyo yan, lagay ko sa description. Again, dun sa other video natin, kung mapapansin nyo, namigay na tayo, or ni-review na natin to, no? W220T. So bali, apat guys. Apat na device ang papamigay natin. At sa December 24, that's going to be Saturday, I believe. Dun tayo bubunot ng one lucky winner. Again, 4 lucky winners, right? Dalawa nito and dalawa ng isa. So tandaan nyo, ilalagay ko sa description niya lahat. But the draw will happen on December 24 morning. Gagawa ko ng video, upload ko yan bago pang Pasko. Para maganda naman ang Noche Buena nyo. Maganda ang pasok ng Pasko, di ba? May nanalo. So, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this right now para ma-review ko na sa inyo, no? Kung kumusta ba tong performance na ito. So, let's go ahead and unbox this WH500 from Edifier. Okay guys, so ito na ang ating Edifier WH500. So, dito, WH500 Wireless On-Ear Headphones. Kasi super fluffy, of course. 40 freaking hours, guys. 40 hours. I mean, that's insane battery life. On the back, it says 30mm composite diaphragm driver. Okay. Environmental noise cancellation. Game mode. Okay. Voice assistance. Foldable design. So, let me go ahead and open it up real quick. Like the box so far. It's very thin. Yung box parang makitid lang siya. Mismo Okay. So, that's the box. Let's go ahead and set that aside. Now, ito yung loob niya. Magaan lang siya, and I think it's actually very portable, very manageable, maliit lang. But on-ear siya. Okay. So first is may makikita tayong silicone gel dyan, or again activated carbon para sa mga inside. Okay. So in contrary dun sa isa natin, yung Bluetooth, yung nito, USB cable is nakabalot pa dito, but it's also of course USB Type-C. And then nasa loob din yung mga manual natin, okay? WH500 on-ear headphone, of course. Ito siya, naka-cover lang siya nung special paper here, but oh my god, ang ganda ng kulay. Holy smokes! Let me set that aside. Ang ganda ng kulay! Ba't ganito to? Naku, baka malungkot yung misis ko nito, yung anak ko na ipamimigay natin to. Actually, hindi siya malulungkot na ipamimigay, no? Kasi matutuwa pa sila dahil may lucky winner, but malulungkot sila wala silang ganito kasi napakaganda ng kulay, guys. I don't know kung nakikita nyo to, but it's not white, it's not blue, it's not purple, but it's probably a combination of all of those. So, adjustable headbands, kung medyo malaki ulo nyo, nagyabang na kayo, syempre, medyo nakakaangat na kayo sa laylayan or what. Yan, pwede nyo lakayan yan. And then, ito is foldable. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Echo. Pasensya na, yung outdoor lights ko daw is napinatay na. But, ito, foldable siyang ganyan. Yan lang yung part yan, para pwede mo siya ilapag. Right? You will set that side first. Pwede mo siya ilapag ng ganyan. Or, patiheya, right? Para makasingaw yung mga pawis-pawis yung mga amoy dyan. But, ganyan siya. Now, yung loob niya mismo is maganda rin, no? So, let's inspect it really quick. So, may logo dito na Edifier, as you can see. May L siya dito, Edifier, dito yung right. Dito sa may right side, meron tayong makikita ang button. So, meron tayong volume controls, alright, mute button, USB Type-C port, and then, I think that's LED indicator, right? And then another microphone. Pretty cool. I love it. I love the look of it. So, kung left and right siya, pag ubad mo na ganyan, pag ganyan ang niya, antique look niya. Okay, so we have our phone here. Let's see kung ma-detect agad siya ng Bluetooth, no? So, alright. All we need to do is just to turn it on. Now, if you notice, wala actually siyang power button dito. Diba? Mute button lang, but meron siya sa gitna. So, that's probably the power button. Let's go ahead and press that. Okay. Galing ko manghula guys, no? So pairing mode na agad siya. Blinking mode yung blue light niya as long as I press that for about 3 seconds. Now check natin kung na-detect siya. Alright, so Edifier WH50 or 500. Let me go ahead and press that. Okay, pairing request. So let me go ahead and approve that. And check natin kung naka-pair na siya. Alright, so nakita nyo, pag pair niya, WH500, mawawala na yung blinking blue lights, right, ng mabilis. But wala rin siyang light na nakikita mo. So hindi mo alam kung naka-turn on siya o hindi. But nagsasalita siya, right? Pag suit mo siya, nagsasalita siya. Now let me go ahead and test it, of course. For fitness first. By the way, for clumsiness, I'm not gonna bet on this. You know, you can easily break this. But okay naman siya, right? Pwede siya again kung malaki ulo mo, kasang-kasya siya. So let me go ahead and sukat natin, guys. Pakaganda niya kasi isisil niya yung tenga mo. Ito mismo nakapatong siya sa tenga mo. Pag suot ko, para ako naka-active noise cancellation kahit na hindi. Yung cancellation niya is just top notch, right? Ng passive cancellation. Jeez, you know, wala akong masyado marinig. Okay. As usual, let's go ahead and try some music here. Let's start with some of our favorites, of course. Bass muna. Check natin ulit again si case 123. Ooh! Kutsa purple! Ganda ng sound na ito, no? Ganda ng bass. Again, K-pop is good. Let's go ahead and check Final Fantasy. Tignan natin yung bass niya or yung response niya, no? Okay, sobrang ma-action siya, and I think yung pagiging in-ear, right, o on-ear headphone niya is nakakadagdag ng bass, nakakadagdag ng passive seal, right, passive audio seal. So medyo ano siya, bassy siya kumpara dun sa isa. Alright, let's try a couple of K-pop here. Let's see, for vocals, gusto ko siya ma-check sa vocals. Wow, ganda ng bass. Nakamax yung volume ko, but wala akong distortion na narinig. Oh, ganda. Yeah. Woo. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda nitong on-ear headphone kasi again of the passive noise cancellation, it's very clear. Like it's ridiculously clear. Let's go ahead and check Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Galing. Ang bass nito. One thing, even though tig to 2,000, you know, less than 2,500 lang to, is actually capable to connect to Edifier app, right? So yan yung Edifier app natin. Download lang kanya sa Google Play Store, and then pag binuksan nyo siya, madidetect na siya automatically. So you don't even have to like configure it here or pair it, right? As long as connected kayo sa Bluetooth, syempre madidetect siya. And then ayan, makikita nyo, yung unang page, meron tatlong pages dyan. Una, yung picture lang and battery levels. Second one is yung equalizer natin. Meron lang siyang dalawa, basically classic and dynamic, and then customize. You can just customize it. And then meron siyang music mode and game mode. Actually, I was able to turn this on by just pressing the M button kasi pwede mo rin naman i-customize yan dyan. Now, basically, itong mga natitira dito, makikita nyo, wala nang silbi yan, right? Para sa store na yan. Pag pinindot nyo yung Discover, gusto nyo check yung hyperpalalang website, mall, and whatnot, dadalhin lang kayo sa website nila, and, you know, all of the stuff. Now, pag pumunta ka sa dulo, mine, syempre, yun yung mga nasayo, customize settings, device supported, add widget. It's kind of like the personalization settings that you can do. But the main purpose of this is actually by checking the battery level, of course, and then punta ka sa taas. Ito yung maganda dyan. Andyan siya, syempre WH500. Ano nakikita nyo, andyan din yung user manual just in case mawala nyo yung paper, no? You do have safe volume. So check that out. Click confirm to enable safe volume para hindi siya magpa-maximize. Although, yung volume niyo guys, hindi naman ganun kalakas eh. So you don't really need to, you know, enable that, I think. Prompt volume and power volume. Siyempre, ang gusto mo magsabit kung anong volume mo, no? Power off, may Bluetooth settings ka pa. Siyempre, kung gusto mo siya i-disconnect and repair. And then factory settings. Oh, actually, unlike the W220T, right? Kasi since wala naman siya parang touch button or something, physical button siya, hindi mo actually pwedeng i-remap yung mga buttons. So just FYI guys, wala siyang customization ng mismong buttons, right? So kung nakalagay dito, power lang is power, kung ano lang yung mga controls mo sa mismong headphone, yun lang siya. Now, if we'll actually go to the headphone itself, okay, so makikita nyo meron siyang power plus, right? Increase volume, sorry, hindi power, volume, and then volume minus. Button na pagka pinindot mo siya is actually gaming mode din siya, no? And then, again, nothing else, some indicator. So, yun lang yung control mo. Ito yung dog gitna nito, pag hinold mo ito, mamamatay. Pag press mo, it's a play pause. Check natin yung mga controls, no? Okay, pag pinindot natin yung gitna, play, okay. Volume is definitely working, as you can see. So, M pala is music mode or game mode. Okay? So, sasabihin niya ako music mode o game mode. Pag hinold ko siya, yung M, yung music mode, ilo-launch niya yung voice assistance natin. So, pag hinold, yung volume, may kitang-kita nyo naman. Ayun, yun, nawawala na yung ano niya. So, pag hinold yung down, for example, hold natin, babalik siya dapat sa previous track. Ayan o, after like, previous track, okay, bumabalik, forward, yon. So, may control pa rin pala tayo, guys, alright, yung volume, kumpleto na rin. So, meron tayong play, pause, turn off, volume itself, next track, and then game mode, activation, music mode, and even voice assistant. So, kumpleto rin ang control. Just for, again, less than 2,500 pesos, which is just a steal in my book. Okay, but that's all for today, guys. That is WH500, right, from Edifier. And take note, ito yung mga specification niya nga pala. Pakita ko mabilis mga specification niya. So this Edifier or this WH from Edifier is of course featuring Bluetooth 5.0, right? 5.0 na yan, guys. A2DP, AVAR, CP, HFP, lahat yan. And then 10 meters din, kamukha din siya nung WT20 natin, alright? But the good thing is yung battery niya, guys, 40 freaking hours. That is like battery all day, every day, even almost 2 days, right? Kasi 48 hours and 2 days. So napakaganda. 350 milliamps ang battery capacity niya. Again, USB Type-C na siya. 5 volts, 1 ampere rather. Approximately 2 hours fast charging supported, right? So since USB Type-C na siya, pwede rin siya mag-fast charge, sinusupport din ng ano niya, processor niya, and it's gonna take around 10 minutes of charging only for 6 hours of play time, which is nuts, right? Super good. 172 grams, it's not heavy at all. Parang wala kang suot, no? Codec niya is SBC lang, wala na siya ng mga high res, wala siya ng mga ibang special codec, so SBC lang supported niya. Driver niya is 3mm peak. Frequency response, just the standard 20 to 20 kHz. Isa lang yung microphone niya nung nakita natin, no? Connected na siya sa mga yan. But IP rating niya is not available. So hindi to waterproof or sweat resistant katulad ng isa. So alagaan nyo siya. And definitely, huwag nyo siya submerge sa water. Right? Mahirap na yun. Sumisid kayo ng mga ganyan. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. Again, quick na paalala lang. Actually not one, but 2 lucky commenters, right, ay mananalo netong Edifier WH500. Right? Isa is makakuha neto, like na sinabi ko, and then yung another one is makakuha straight from Edifier themselves, right? Papadala niya kayo. So all you need to do is just to subscribe to this channel, of course, para sa mga future videos natin. And like this video para ma-share din natin. And comment lang kayo down below kung meron ba kayo mga katanungan o kahit mag-say lang kayo ng hello, mangumusta lang kayo. No? Just comment down below. On December 24, bubunot tayo ng lucky winner. Alright, I will upload the video about that as well. But bubunot tayo ng lucky commenter sa mga magko-comment. This is just for Philippines. Alright, sa mga parang mga kababayan lang natin Pinoy to. Comment lang kayo sa baba. And then bubunot tayo sa December 24 na mananalo. And kukontakin ko kayo, alright? Facebook or email rather, mas maganda. For 2,000 pesos, guys, we can only do so much on 2,000 nowadays. Pero Edifier keeps on creating quality products, right? This is wireless and 40 hours of battery life on a wireless headphone. This is just nuts, right? So this is definitely a thumbs up for me. Salamat again, Edifier, for sending a sample. But that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Again, click the like button if you'd like this video. But that's all for today. Stay safe, guys. See you on my next one. Peace.